Hi, I'm here to show you how to put together this bow kit to create this bow here. It's a larger size bow, which would work well on bigger boxes, but it's got 4 layers, and then it came with the center and a string to all put it together. You're gonna need a glue gun and some scissors, just in case you need to trim something, or we'll be trimming the string in the back at the end, and then a bow dabber. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, so here we go. Lay a string out of the pack that was sent. And it doesn't matter what color this string is because you're never gonna see it, or nobody's gonna see it that's getting this bow. So here we go. The kits came with 2 bows in a pack, and they're stacked. Oops, they're stacked in the order that they're going to be put in the machine. So anyway, so you're gonna get the stack out of the plastic and flip it over. All right, so the first ribbon, I'm gonna put in a diagonal, and then the opposite way. So this ribbon is a little thicker, so you're gonna want to, I put things down first and then flip it up while I'm pulling the bottom towards me. Okay, and so see, it should stay in there. I'm pushing it down, and so we got one going one direction, one going the opposite direction. And then here we have this one. It is a nice, pretty shimmer. And I dipped the edges of these ribbons that we're gonna unravel, like this one, and so they're not gonna unravel for you. Okay, so opposite side there. Now here, one side is a little bit longer than this side, so you just scoot it over a little. Be sure to push down. And then we've got the rickrack. The rickrack, it's the last one. Since everything is going in opposite directions, I like to put it, like the last layer, I like to put just centered. Okay, so that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and shove this down using this little tool that came with the bow dabber. It just makes everything tight and easy for you to make a knot. So go ahead and tie a knot here. Make it pretty tight, not crazy. We just need to get it out of there, and we don't want anything to move, basically. So hold on with your thumb to the bow dabber. Shove that out of the way. All right, so now that it's out, I'm gonna make a pretty tight bow. Flip it over, a tight knot. I'm just pulling it tight and make a knot in the front, but you can. And here's where I'm making the knots. And I guess I just don't wanna have the knots in the front because it bulks up your center, but not really. I mean, it's gonna be a tiny little knot. So I double knot it there. And while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off these strings. Some people like to tie on their bows to their packaging, but I just like it better when I hot glue these bows to the packaging because it goes exactly where I want it to. Doesn't move around. Sometimes it can be a little loose when you tie it. Okay, so now for the center. Oh, okay. I made each one of these centers. It was so hard with the COVID. I'm not going out shopping, so I just decided to make them. So everything, this is the time where you want to situate anything that you want. You want everything separated. This is a good time to do it. All right, so now I'm going to add some hot glue here in the middle. And the center. And simple as that. There you go. Mother's Day Bow C. Thank you.